Hello guys, how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x8007000A in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code while run on Microsoft Store, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is run the Store troubleshooters. Go to Windows search and type Store troubleshooter, find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on open and troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically. It will detect your problems and repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The second workaround to fix this issue is install Windows latest update. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of Windows update errors. Right click on start button, choose settings, and here from the left side go to Windows Update, and from the right side click on check for updates, and if you found any available updates, simply download and install it in your system and check whether your Microsoft Windows Store error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is again right click on start button and choose run command box. Run dialog box will open. Here type wsreact.exe. It will clear your Microsoft Store caches in your system. To clear Microsoft Store caches in system, run command box, type wsreact.exe and press enter. The next workaround to fix this Microsoft Store error is right click on a start button again and choose settings. In settings windows, from the left side go to apps, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and choose installed apps. Here look for store in the search field, type store in search field. Microsoft Store will appear. Here click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Store and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair. Click on repair, wait for some time, it will take few seconds, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So if repair does not work, then choose reset Microsoft Store app. Check whether it is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute 3 DISM tool as shown on a screen. DISM scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt Windows, one by one execute this, and once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Sfc scan now and press enter. Wait for some times till 100% verification of your system. After that, restart your system and your problem of Microsoft Store error resolved.